For decades, the Lexus LX has been the gold standard for those who demand bulletproof reliability mixed with high-end luxury. But for 2026, Lexus is doing something they've never done before with their flagship SUV. Meet the 2026 Lexus LX700h. This isn't just a new trim. It's the first-ever hybrid LX, and in this ultra-luxury specification, it aims to take on the world's best from Range Rover to Mercedes-Benz. Today, we're finding out if adding electric power makes this the ultimate luxury cruiser. Asterisk at first glance, the LX700h maintains that massive, commanding silhouette we love. The signature spindle grille has been refined for 2026, featuring a new seamless frame that looks more integrated. The ultra-luxury package adds exclusive 22-inch forged alloy wheels and subtle hybrid badging. Lexus has mastered the art of lighting. The triple-beam LED headlamps and the continuous L-shaped light bar at the rear hit a sophisticated night signature. It doesn't scream for attention like a G-Wagon, it commands it through elegance and sheer size. It's a fortress on wheels, built with the precision of a Takumi master. Asterisk the ultra-luxury badge is most apparent once you step inside. While the front features the beautiful Lexus interface with its 14-inch touchscreen, the real magic is in the back. The 700h's ultra-luxury removes the middle seat to create a 4-seat VIP layout. The rear seats can recline up to 48 degrees. And the front passenger seat can slide forward to provide nearly 43 inches of legroom. You get massage functions, a dedicated touchscreen for climate control, and wood trim that is hand-polished to perfection. It's the Japanese philosophy of omotenashi, anticipating your every need. Whether it's the Mark Levinson reference surround sound system or the chilled center console, this cabin is quieter than a library. Asterisk under the hood is where the 700h's feat earns its name. It pairs a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 with a powerful electric motor and a nickel-metal hydride battery. This system produces a combined 457 horsepower and 583 pounds-ft of torque. What makes this special is the delivery. The electric motor provides instant torque, making this 6,000-pound SUV feel surprisingly light on its feet. Plus, because it's a Lexus, the off-road hardware is still there. You have a full 4WD system with a transfer case, ensuring that even though you're surrounded by fine leather, you can still conquer the toughest terrain. It's smoother, faster, and more efficient than any LX before it. Asterisk the 2026 Lexus LX700h Ultra Luxury is a masterclass in balance. It gives you the serenity of a hybrid, the luxury of a private jet, and the peace of mind that only Lexus reliability can provide. It's not just a car, it's an investment in comfort. But what do you think? Is the hybrid powertrain the right move for the LX, or do you miss the old V8 days? And would you choose this over a Range Rover autobiography? Let me know in the comments below.